How to manually cook with Panasonic microwave oven model NN-SD47QS. Press door release button on the bottom right and place the microwave safe dish with food or beverage in the center of the microwave oven. Close the door. Press microwave. Turn dial to select cooking time at default power level 10. Press start, select. A key symbol displays to indicate automatic child lock is activated. To open, press door open and then press the door release button on the bottom right. Use oven mittens if needed and carefully remove the food or beverage item. Note: power levels available are PL1 to PL10. The default level is PL10. For reheating, use PL10, high, for liquids, PL7, med high, for most foods, and PL6, medium, for dense foods. For defrosting, use PL3, med low. For more information, visit our support site at the link in the description below. www.help.na.panasonic.com. Panasonic.